This is Matthew Kratter from Bitcoin University, and today I'm proud to introduce Bitcoin University channel memberships. Why am I adding these? Well, YouTube has been bugging me for a couple of years to do it, probably in order to supplement the ad revenue generated by my channel and other people's channel, which are obviously important in aggregate for Google's earnings growth as a publicly traded company. My channel's ad revenue has actually been surprisingly low for the past 3 years. In case you're curious, I make about $2,000 to $3,000 per month after YouTube takes its cut. So remember that when you hear about crypto YouTubers making millions of dollars every year. Most of these are probably sponsorships from Shilling Shipcoins. It's okay though, I'm content with the level of income since I love making these videos, and I'd keep making them even if it didn't pay a dime. I learn a lot by making these videos, and I learn even more by interacting with all of you. Plus it's fun, it's social, and we get to enjoy this crazy Bitcoin journey together. If I were a crypto channel as opposed to being purely BTC though, I suspect this revenue thing would not be quite as much of a problem, since crypto promoters and not Bitcoin only companies have historically had the big ad budgets for social media. So here's what I'm doing. I'm hoping that turning on YouTube memberships will motivate YouTube to help to spread my videos more broadly going forward, since there will be more in it for them financially. This channel's new subscriber growth numbers have definitely been sluggish since about 2021. So we had 43,000 new subscribers in 2020, over 100,000 in 2021, then back down to 39,000, 22.6, and then year to date about 20,000 subscribers year to date. Now much of this drop off can probably be attributed to the bear market, but 2023 was a strong year for Bitcoin's price action, and the new subscriber numbers were still pretty low, as you can see, just 22,600 new subs. And I'm not complaining. I'm very blessed to get so many subscribers, but if you look at the growth, it's definitely slowed. So I'm hoping the channel memberships will be a win-win for you, for me, and for YouTube, and especially for Bitcoin, in order to help spread the news and to spread my videos more widely. If you can't or don't want to join, obviously you won't have to. You're still going to get full access to the same number of videos every week. About 5 videos on average is what I tend to make. So please don't join if you don't want to, or if it's any sort of financial stretch for you. I know that I have viewers from all socioeconomic backgrounds, as well as some from parts of the world where $3, $4 is a whole day's wage. In that case, you can still help to support the channel in these ways that cost you only a few seconds of your time. Make sure you're a subscriber, click the subscribe button, click the like button, leave a comment, suggestion, topic for a future video, and share this video with a friend or family member. As I say in every single video, trying to get these subscriber numbers up. And this is what YouTube does. You probably already know this, but it really looks at the engagement on the channel in terms of comments, likes, subscribers, how long you watch a video. So these are all ways that you can also help out the channel. But for those who wish to join, here's what you're going to get. So before talking about the join function, which is now a new button here, which I'm not sure anyone has noticed yet, I also want to show you another feature. So I don't forget, it's called Thanks, or it used to be called Super Thanks. It doesn't seem to be called that anymore. And this is basically where you can make a one-time donation to the channel, and 70% of your donation goes to me, 30% goes to YouTube. So it's really a win-win. And there's a slider here. As you slide up and donate more money, you get it gets redder, more and more red, up to $500. And then you can also leave a comment. You can do some stuff with emojis, and then you can just send it over. So that's the Super Thanks, which is a one-time thing. And then we have the channel membership, which is a monthly subscription, and you can access that. You just click join right here, and you'll see immediately that there are 2 levels. There's the humble Bitcoin pleb level. There's the toxic Bitcoin maxi level, which is $4.99 per month. Humble pleb is $2.99 per month. So this is a recurring payment, but you can do it once and you can cancel at any time. So if you come in at the humble Bitcoin pleb level, $2.99 a month. I'm not going to tell you how that's less than the price of a cup of coffee, though it is. And this is what you get. You get loyalty badges next to your name. And one of the cool things about these I never really realized is that the way YouTube does this is it gamifies it. So the longer you stay around on the channel with your subscription, the higher level you get in terms of badges next to your name. So you'll start off with the Bitcoin logo, and then you'll progress from left to right until you get to the Burning Throne, until you get to the Bitcoin solar system. And then when you achieve pure Bitcoin Zen, you'll just be floating in the boat here with the Bitcoin symbol. So I think that's That's if you've joined for it's something like 3, 6, 9 months, 12 months, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, something like that. And then you get the custom emoji piece, which as a humble Bitcoin Pleb subscriber, you can use in your comments. You've got the dog, the rocket ship, the Bitcoin American flag, and then of course me with my laser eyes. You also get priority reply to comments, which I try to reply to as many comments anyway. So what you're really doing here, I know these are not the most amazing gifts in the world, but hopefully they're pretty cool. And one of the things I've noticed is that so far, because I don't have any subscribers yet, YouTube will only let me upload these 4 custom emojis. But it looks like if I get 2 subscribers, I can upload 2 more emojis, etc. And so that's the humble Bitcoin Pleb support level. Then there's the toxic Bitcoin maxi level, where for $4.99 a month you get everything that you get for humble Bitcoin Pleb. You get the loyalty badges, the custom emojis, and you're also going to get access to 1 or 2 members only videos, which you'll only be able to access on YouTube if you're a member. So that's basically how the channel memberships work. Again, super thanks are over here, and then join is right here. So to the extent you can help out the channel and help out spread this message, it would be really appreciated. What will my channel membership revenues be used for? 30% off the top goes to YouTube. I keep 70%. Of course, out of that 70%, another big chunk goes to Washington, D.C. to help them buy more shiny new missiles, to help America, quote unquote, spread democracy. And then with what's left over, I'll be buying more Bitcoin, of course. Very grateful to all of you for the support that you've shown to me over the years. And I'm very, very grateful to have been given this platform to do what I can in my own small way to help the Bitcoin revolution. And all of us working together, this grassroots movement is really what helps the Bitcoin revolution. So please continue to help me, continue to give me the good advice that you guys all do so that I don't F anything up here or do anything that might impede or hamper the amazing progress that Bitcoin has been making over the past few years. And also let me know in the comment section how I can make this channel more useful to you, either as a subscriber or as a regular viewer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe and like buttons. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish my next video. And let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. And of course, feel free to join the channel memberships if you want to and if you can. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.